mathematical representation of amplitude modulated signal. Any wave can be represented by an equation V is equal to V sin omega t. This is general equation for the waveform where small v is instantaneous voltage, capital V is maximum voltage, and omega is angular frequency, which is also given by twice pi f. In the modulation process, we will be using two signals, modulating signal which is represented by the equation referring the general expression. We can write this as small vm is equal to capital Vm sin of omega mt, where the suffix m stands for modulating signal. Then we require the another signal, carrier signal, which is also logically represented by small vc is equal to capital Vc sin of omega ct. Here the suffix c represents carrier signal. Now, in general, the expression for the amplitude modulated signal, that is Vam of t, which is given by A sin of omega ct. This is general expression where A is envelope of AM wave. Or this is instantaneous value. This is instantaneous value of envelope. Now the instantaneous value of envelope of amplitude modulated signal A, which is given by capital Vc plus small Vm. Now putting this value of Vm as Vm sin omega mt, we get A is equal to Vc plus Vm sin omega mt. A is equal to, if you take Vc common here, we will get 1 plus Vm by Vc sin of omega mt. This can be written as A is equal to Vc into 1 plus Ma sin omega mt, where this Ma is called as modulation index and which is given by Vm by Vc. Now, putting this value of A in the general expression which we have written already, so therefore Vam of t is equal to A sin of omega ct, that is equal to, so putting the value of A as this one, so what we get? We will get it as Vc into 1 plus Ma sin of omega mt into sin of omega ct. Now expanding this, what we get? We will get Vam of t is equal to, this Vc into 1 is Vc into sin of omega ct. So this is Vc sin omega ct plus Ma Vc. So this Ma Vc into sine of omega mt into sine of omega ct. So if you look at this part of the expression, this is nothing but like we know sine A into sine B. This expansion will be 1 by 2 cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. So using this, finally we will get VAM of t is equal to Vc sine omega ct plus EMA Vc. So this expression we can write it in this form. So this is 1 by 2. So MA Vc by 2 into cos of omega c minus omega m of t minus MA Vc by 2 into cos of omega c plus omega m of t. So if you look at this final expression of AM, you understand that the first term is Vc sin omega ct, which is carrier. Second term is upper sideband USB, and the third term is the lower sideband LSB. Therefore, we can prove that the amplitude modulated wave, this is amplitude modulated wave, consists of what is inside this? Inside this is a carrier, this is upper sideband, and this is lower sideband. So this is how we proved that the AM wave consists of one carrier, one upper sideband and one lower sideband.